My name is Tim Creman and I'm the inventor of the Magic Heating Box.
My name is Jim Hammond and I've been a plumbing and heating engineer for over 25 years now.
Well, the reason why I came about inventing it was I saw a huge problem within the system and there was nothing out there to address the problem.
What I like about the box is when you first turn it on, the difference is there to be seen. Radiators get hot all over.
The heating system can also be zoned. That means that you can heat your hot water separate to your radiators in the summer time, and you can also heat the radiators without the hot water also. So it's a huge beneficial to the customer, and if you've got two heating zones, you can heat, let's say example, the first floor and the ground floor, you can heat them together or separate. So it's a huge benefit that way, also leading to more fuel savings.
Hello, my name is Dennis O'Sullivan. I'm a plumbing and heating engineer. I have 10 years experience. I mainly work on the domestic side of the industry, working on oil and gas, heating systems.
My name's Cole Pritchard. I'm 24 years old and my specialist is air conditioning, refrigeration and plumbing, and I've been doing it for 9 years.
When I first came across the box, I was intrigued and did a bit more research, and I was talking to Tim, the inventor, and got to fit a few of them. I'm very happy with them. The results are instantly noticeable. The more heat, the boiler is set down at a lower temperature, but the radiator is still very, very hot. So customers are very, very happy. Customer feedback that I've got after the job has been excellent.
The tank can be used in all different type of systems, microbore, standard, anything, you name it, 28mm, 22mm, doesn't matter. If the house is reasonably plumbed, it'll work perfect.
When I first came across the Magic Box and what it could do, I was quite surprised. Installed one, and when I installed it, I was quite fascinated how it went in. It was quite easy to put in.
When it comes to installing, the Magic Heating Box can be either installed close to the boiler or it can be installed in the airing cupboard. Usually it takes a day to fit for two people. It's quite good, it's very easy, and commissioning at the end is very good. It's straightforward, gets rid of the air pretty straight away.
Hello, my name is Owen Gallagher. I'm an electrician. I've been trading in the UK for the past 15 years. We do electrical installations and controls.
How I actually came about inventing the box was one day I just got an idea and I designed to make a square tank rather than round. These normal tanks that are round, circular. So I said by making it square that I made the mixing process. It was all about the mixing process of the water between the radiators and the boiler. So I designed the box around that. And there was a couple of problems I had to address with the air, the temperature, and get the perfect mix of the boiler, so the boiler would be separate to the radiators. So that's how it came about, the general idea came about.
Installing the box is relatively straightforward. It's a matter of removing the existing programmer and installing the new control box. The control box will in turn control the tank stat, the wall thermostat and the boiler switch line. It works in conjunction with the system to ensure that the whole process runs smoothly when installed.
You notice the radiators are getting hotter quicker, they're maintaining a nice temperature.
Once the box is installed, the temperature raises a lot quicker within the property and the flow rate is increased also.
I won an award at the Inventions Fair in Geneva back in 2001. Yeah, so that was great. I got a silver medal there.
Once a box is installed, it is relatively maintenance free. There are no moving parts, so it ensures that there's no maintenance required.
Hello, my name is Shane. I'm a plumber for the last 10 years and I've been fitting these boxes for the last 2 years.
Well, how the product benefits the customer is basically it gets all the radiators heating at an equal temperature, gives them more hot water and gives them basically more comfort in their homes. Because as customers know, like they'll be heating on and they still have cold rooms in their house and they're not getting value for fuel.
Hello, my name's John Pritchard. I'm a products manager and basically my job is to make sure that all the installs go as smoothly as possible.
I find with the boxes they're very easy to fit and they fit into quite small spaces. Like a couple of weeks ago I fitted one underneath the kitchen cupboard right beside the boiler and it was a really tight fit but still managed to get it in there.
The feedback that I'm getting back from my guys is basically of a positive nature. There doesn't seem to be any issues with the way the box works. It does save on time. We don't have a lot of problems with this system. everything has been positive.
The boiler temperature would be reduced not from normal 75 to 80 degrees down to 60 degrees. So you're taking an average, you would say 10-15 degrees off the average temperature, which is a huge reduction in fuel. You can see the fuel saving by doing that, and also the room stats are reduced down from the normal 21 to 19, and yet you're still not taking the comfort from the building. The house is more comfortable even with those reductions. So you can see that it's a no-brainer really. You have to have fuel saving with those.
We found that a day typically the job can be done in. It runs smoothly. We make sure that everything is in place to make the job run smoothly.
The box, it also removes the air from the central heating system automatically. So the air is formed in the boiler and it enters the tank and is captured and it doesn't allow it out to the radiators. It removes the air. It also allows the radiators to stay at the constant temperature. With the existing system, they're constantly fluctuating. And when you put it in the box, it's all even. There's no fluctuation in the radiators, and therefore it's gives you much more comfort in your rooms in the building.
Going back to the actual box itself, it's easy to fit. The actual fittings are standard throughout the industry.
It also eliminates pump cavitation. So the pumps, a faster flow rate, the water flows 70% faster through your radiators. Let's say the standard radiator, you get 1 litre a minute, but this is almost 4 litres a minute. So you can see the benefit by pumping extra water. You're getting more surface area heated on your radiator and more comfort in your room.
The pumps that we use are to a high grade, which means that they are the best running pumps you can get for the money.
It can be used with oil, gas, radiators, underfloor heating, any water-based heating system. Anywhere in the world, any country, same principle applies.
It does what it says. It will make your radiators hotter, it gives you better pressure, and hopefully you'll be happy with the product.
My product is unique. There is other products on the market that extract the air, but mine is a full management central heating system.